Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Zoe's Diary. Now, this is my first time doing a voiceover, so just do with me. Enough love to my subscribers. So, I was on my way to school trying to get to the tour, okay? So, the Titchfield High School has a tourism club that allows us to interact with students and people from different countries. Now, this particular tour, we got to interact with students from Netherlands. Isn't that amazing? Definitely. This is more information on their national flag and an overview of their country. More information. So, if you live at Port Antonio, you know this place, Farmy Building. So we walk through here to go to Pier. So there are many roads to go to Pier, right? Or you might know it as the Herald Flynn Marina. No, Jamaicans don't have time to call that word, so we just say Pier. So once I hear somebody say Pier, that's where we're talking about. So first we had to sign our names before we can enter into the premises. It consists of 6 farmers, 5th farmers, and 7th grade. Yeah. So being a part of 6th farm, it can be stressful at times. So when we get opportunities like this to interact with people, grab it. Okay? Grab it. So I have never traveled before out of my country. So this allows me to interact with people from different countries and get an experience and also know about their culture, right? I have never been around here, so as I said before, it's a private area. Not many people get the chance to come around this side of Pier, okay? The view was lovely. We had to sanitize our boots because the germs and bacteria. This was very normal because I did this in Agri. Their space was very comfortable. At first I was nervous, but the communication was just flowing. They were very kind. Yeah. So they are basically telling us about their experience, the life on board, and their study schedules and all these things. So even when you watch movie, they will see them something here on a boat, the engineering depth and all these things. They were showing us around and showing us their little space. It was very amazing because I have never been on a sailboat before, and so if you have never been on one either, this is what inside look like. But don't get me wrong, not all of them look like this inside, so it's just an example, okay? It was their break time, and so they had their break and we give them their little space and also we interact with them more. A little treat. Looking at the water, it made my head feel dizzy, but the view was awesome. Being on board, definitely awesome. That's me. So basically just walking around, looking on board, and yeah. So it's not because it look like this, it is very big. When you're on board, it's very big even on the inside. And yeah, that's their cook. So I venture on the top of the boat to get the best experience of it all. Look at that view. Very lovely, right? Okay, so I had company on top of the boat. Now the challenge begins. We wanted to go on this net, but we were not familiar with this, okay? We were so scared and like but we want to try it out, right? So I took up the challenge and I wanted to go on that net. So I did. Okay, so that's me right there. Just taking my little time, and finally we decided to alright then we go up on it, and I did. So just watch the video to see what's happening.
And these lines are a bit loose. The black one she's sitting on, the black one she's sitting on. Look, it's very steady. And this one is moving a bit. You can also hold it. I think you can better hold that one to the right. Yeah. That one's steady and won't move.
Or you can just sit on it. Yes.
Religion. What?
You guys are a happy now.
But if I slide, do you not gonna drop through? Yeah, me.
You can go under the line and grab the black one. No. Anna, Anna, jij bent even dat touw omhoog. Nee, zeg maar nou. Ja, come back real low, but listen. This one is the best one. This one? Yeah, perfect. Kom maar. Right. This won't reach. What? Okay.
Oh, the brave one. She ain't afraid of nothing, Janelle. Go girl. She showed us that she was not afraid of anything. So girl, it just depends and go on with herself, right? And yeah, this is Keisha.
Yes.
Per
Once we stay there, we have
memories, guys.
Memories, guys.
Yeah, with channel. It's always diary. This is Peppa. She is awesome, fun, and energetic. No, sadly, it was time to leave because they had different places to go. So, until next time, yes. Bye bye. Bye bye. This is the name of the boat. And yeah, different boats were there.
Life sweet.
We did not have to worry about walking back in the sun because they provide a bus for us. This is the end of our trip. Bye.